Want to know how small businesses are growing faster than ever before? Today, we'll see how SEO, social media, and email marketing are helping local businesses scale up like never before, with real examples. Meet Sweet Treats Bakery. They optimized their website with the right keywords and improved page speed. Within 3 months, their website traffic doubled and online orders increased by 60%. That's the power of SEO for small businesses. Next, a small clothing boutique leveraged Instagram and Facebook ads. They ran targeted ads for local customers and posted engaging reels showcasing new arrivals. The result? A 40% boost in foot traffic and a 25% increase in sales within 2 months. Finally, let's look at a local fitness studio. They started collecting customer emails and sent weekly updates about classes and exclusive offers. Email marketing helped retain existing clients and brought in 20% more repeat bookings. Whether you run a bakery, boutique, or fitness studio, digital marketing can take your business to the next level. Ready to start your own growth journey? Subscribe for more tips and let's grow together.